Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I want to say thank you so much to those of you who I just put up a shop with me and noticed that I had been gone for a few days. Thank you so much for the warm welcome. It really made me feel special. I did kind of disappear off the platform for a few days and didn't have anything pre-recorded to share with you guys, so I apologize for that, but we did do a last minute family trip with some friends. We took, there were 3 families who headed to Milwaukee and then Chicago, so we had a huge excursion following the Raptors around, and we are huge Raptors fans. I'm not sure if anyone else is a follower, but we had an absolute blast. The kids actually, when we went to Milwaukee, we stayed at the Pfister Hotel and the Raptors happened to stay there as well. So we had a little bit of an entourage of kids waiting for, there were 7 children who kind of just stalked the Raptors as they were loading the bus to go off to play against Milwaukee. So it was super fun, and I did disappear off the platform because that was not a planned getaway. It was very last minute and it was right before the long weekend, so I had work reports due to the long weekend, everything being closed on Monday, and I run off of a payroll schedule, and then I just wasn't able to get to these lovely packages, so they've been sitting here in my craft room for quite some time, which you guys even saw in my when I shared with you my craft room. I took you guys on a tour and they were sitting there, so I do apologize in advance. I want to say thank you very much for sending me. Along with that, a couple other things arrived, but I thought I will share these with you. I would like to say thank you to Claire. And I looked up your YouTube channel. Once I open this, you'll probably let me know if I can open it or not on camera, but I did look up Pucks and Prosecco, and I was not able to find you on YouTube. I'm not familiar with the name, so I apologize in advance. I'm not sure if you go under a different name when you comment on my channel. And then Gretchen, thank you so very much for sending me a lovely package as well. This, I am so sorry it's been sitting here and I just wanted to enjoy it. That's one thing, when I receive Happy Mail, I like to make sure that I have time for myself to do it, and right now is the perfect time to share with you guys. And then I have also a little lovely envelope that's arrived as well, so I will open that as well, and that is coming. I don't have a name on here yet, so once I open it I'll find out. So first I'm going to open Claire, and this also arrived a few weeks back. I'm thinking within the last 3 weeks everything kind of arrived. Envelope I just picked up actually just last week. Everything is so beautifully wrapped. You guys don't need to send me parcels like this. Even just a little postcard will make me, you know what would be super cool is, you know those postcards that you find at like souvenir shops, or if you're going to the gas station and they'll have like an actual postcard of where you're from. I would be thrilled if you sent me one of those with a little stamp and your name and where you're from, or what videos you love to watch on my channel. Would make me so happy to get those in my mailbox. I don't know why, I think that would be the coolest thing. Just saying like, hey, I'm from, and then there's a picture of your postcard or your city or your town or what your area is popular or famous for would be so cool. So I do keep all of your cards in like a binder, and where my pocket letters are stacked. So I think I'd have to create something special if people started sending me postcards from where you guys are all over the world. It doesn't matter, like the US, Canada, overseas, Europe. Oh my gosh, it would be so neat to see where you guys are and where you're watching from. So anyways, let's go on in, let's dig in and see what we have here. Let me see if oh yes, there is a card here. So you do know my name, and this is so sweet of you, and I apologize, Claire, that I'm not familiar with your name, and I'm usually pretty good with my watchers. Oh, I love the front of the card. Kindness is rare and beautiful. Yes. Oh my goodness, I love it. You listen to PSS. It's totally okay to film this. I love your words. It is my absolute pleasure to post on this channel. I have developed such wonderful connections with you guys, and I love this platform. I love posting and sharing with you guys. I am a huge Dollar Tree addict. I am a huge deal finder addict, and I absolutely am thrilled that there are others who enjoy the things that I do and love watching and touring and finding deals and crafting and DIYs and all the things. So I am so very happy to share with this, and thank you so much for sending me this. Thank you, package. This is absolutely amazing. You don't need to do this, but again, thank you so very much. I'm going to open up the little package you've sent me, and you've bubble wrapped everything so that it would arrive nice and safe. Oh my gosh, this is too, I think I know, it's a little ring holder. And could it be? You sent me a mermaid tail. You know what? I passed on this little guy and I regretted it. Can you believe this? I thought, you know what? The mermaid tail, I was like, the llama's so much cuter, and I bought the little, the swan? Yeah, like the little swan. And I bought the llama and I passed on the mermaid tail. And then of course, when I was just actually at a recent Dollar Tree, I was looking for this. I'll glue this back because I think it just came undone. But it's because it's hot glue that they use. They didn't use the 6000 like we know as crafters to use to permanently adhere it. And you know what? I totally regretted not buying the mermaid tail, because you guys know how much of a mermaid tail freak I am. I absolutely adore them. I'm going to E6000 this because they used regular hot glue. I think, yeah, like they did, and it's just not as sticky as it should be. Not sure if I'm filming. Yes, I'm filming. So yeah, I regretted this. So this, I'm so thankful that you sent this to me, knowing I love mermaids. Thank you so very much. And I'm going to fix it, and I think I'm gonna actually put it here because I love it. It is so cute, and I haven't been able, those sold out like so fast. So thank you very much for thinking of me and buying that little guy for me. That is one thing I wish I had bought. Do you ever have that? Like you'll go to the Dollar Tree, you'll see things, you're like, no, I don't need that, and I don't need this. And then you get home and you're like, oh my gosh, if I don't buy that, or I just missed out on it, and you go back and it's totally gone and you've just missed out on it, right? So thank you. I appreciate that so very much. Okay, and now this, I love black tissue paper lately. I think it looks so classy. It just, especially in a beautiful gift bag, like if you fluff up some black tissue paper right now in a nice bright colored or even pale colored or classic color, like a cream color bag, it looks so nice. Try it out. So I used to go always for a white tissue, but the black is so nice right now. Oh my gosh, you sent me, you guys are the best. I'm gonna get emotional. You guys are so awesome. Thank you so much, Claire. You guys, you knew that I was looking for these and I was having such a hard time finding them. Thank you so much. And if you've seen a little video of my craft room, I did share exactly how I use these in my craft. Maybe I'll put it into this little video here, and how I organize them, the acrylic organizers from Michaels. And I'm going to buy another acrylic organizer from Michaels now that these are back in stock. So thank you so much, because I can never have enough of these, especially with all the little embellishments from the Dollar Tree. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And knowing how much I love stickers, you guys are absolutely amazing. Like, this is so thoughtful. And these tags are gorgeous. My favorite ones because they have the little, what is it called? Gold, the gold foiling. It's beautiful. And they have beautiful coats. Like, try to be a rainbow in someone's cloud. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. And she believed she could, so she did, and be the reason someone smiles today. Absolutely beautiful little tags, and those are beautiful on the outside of Happy Meal packages, or even on a gift bag, and then you can just write somebody's name on the back. And I don't have these. Thank you. I do not have these. Beautiful. And actually, I am all about the pocket letters right now. They're in my brain. I did a nautical themed one. I'm not sure if you took a look at that, but I think I'm feeling a very airy type of pocket lettering now, and I really want to sit down and create one. So I think I'm going to use these beautiful white little floral stickers as inspiration, because this is exactly the feel that I'd like. And these are gorgeous. The little pink gems can never go wrong. They go on everything. What a great Happy Meal package. Thank you so much again. And I appreciate, you know what's most wonderful is your card. Your letters, your words, they're beautiful. And again, thank you so much. I hope that they do bring you joy and some happiness in our busy days, and that a few minutes sometimes we take for ourselves. It could be like having a YouTube video that we watch, or, you know, going in your bathroom and just putting your hair up and giving yourself a facial, or sitting on the couch listening to music, whatever it may be that makes your day. But thank you so much for making mine. Like, this is so awesome. And Gretchen, I apologize for opening this so late. Again, your thoughtfulness does not go unnoticed, because you had a pretty rough few weeks, and for you to have thought of me during this time means the world to me. I really do appreciate you, and when you comment on my channel, you are just such a wonderful human being. My heart goes out to you again, and my condolences. I did express those on a previous video, and I just want to say thank you for thinking of me during such a hard time in your life. I cannot even imagine. And so I have a card from you in here too. I'm looking for it. Actually, I was just looking at this picture here, and it reminded me, my husband and I were walking out back in the yard, and we were looking at our fruit trees to make sure that they had come out of hibernation and didn't die with frost, because here we're exposed to quite cold temperatures, and they're in the open, so they're newly planted as well within the last 2 years. So just trying to make sure that they come back every year. And I am happy to report that our pear tree is back, our apple trees are back, and I think one cherry tree, but the other one didn't make it this year. So I hope we get little pears and little apples, but that reminded me of our little backyard. What type of trees do you guys have living in your yard or in your area? I always wish that I could access like mangoes and peaches, but those peaches we could kind of get, but they're a little bit finicky. They don't hold up as well as apple trees, and of course cherry trees here. But oh, you are so cute. Oh, so your card. Oh my goodness, I feel like I don't give you any support, but I am here anytime you want to talk. Send me a message anytime. You are such a sweet, sweet lady, and do not apologize in here. This is thank you. There is nothing for you to be sorry about misplacing or anything. I appreciate that you even thought of me and took the time to do this. This is crazy. And again, I will reuse this tissue, because I am like that. I will now, if there's no holes in it, I will then fold it all nice. My daughter catches me doing this after birthday parties. Like, I'll make sure the tissue that's in good shape. I'll flatten it all out on the counter, and then I fold it up nicely and put it back in my little drawer. And she says, Mom, why do you do that? And I said, well, first off, we're saving the environment. And secondly, it's perfectly good tissue. Why not recycle it? And so she's like looking at me like kind of, we did not get these. Oh my gosh, I gotta put these on. These are the cutest socks in the whole world. I love them. Okay, so I am like completely obsessed with mermaids, and you guys are only enabling this crazy obsession of mine. So the Little Mermaid is my favorite, and she's so cute. Should I dye my hair red? I was like thinking I was gonna go all red, like really dark. Maybe be a little crazy just for a few weeks. But my hair's out of control today, and I apologize. I haven't even like brushed it. It's just like air dried from last night, and this is how it is. But oh, I love these socks, and they're like super long. You know what? You can make oh my gosh, they're so cute. I was gonna start DIYing something, but no, those are going on my feet. And these are things we did not get here. You're amazing. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm putting this right behind me. I love it. We had the little notebooks. We did not get this stuff. I don't even know if this was at Dollar Tree. Did you get this at Dollar Tree? It looks like the Dollar Tree print that we did have. Oh, I love it. It's gonna go up there. I'll fix it. It'll be cuter once I arrange it. Oh, I bought this. Did I show you guys? This is a vintage find from Value Village. And it's a photo holder, but I absolutely love that it's like wood and I was thinking I'm gonna make like some cute positive words that will go there. I love that. Thank you. Oh my goodness. This is a big package. Oh my goodness. More mermaids. I love it. Okay, so this one has to go up there now. So what do I do? Real mermaid. This is so cute. I did not see this at all. This one must have been the US collection. you guys get good things sometimes that we don't get. I love this because this is the teal in my craft room. If you've taken a tour of my room, I shared it on the channel. That is the teal that I kind of have going on in here. Just little bits and pieces. And again, going to save my tissue. Oh my goodness. You did so amazing with these little put together. You put together such a cute package. So this, I'm gonna have to hang probably in my craft closet, and I can hang like things when I need them. But this is so pretty because it goes with that mermaid stuff. I love the socks. Like, I am obsessed with the socks right now. I want to put them on. Yay! I love coloring. That's one thing. Should I do like a little coloring session with you guys on the channel? I've thought about that because that's one thing I absolutely love doing is coloring. Mermaids. Yay! Love it. Thank you. My daughter will enjoy this with me. Oh, she looks like Ariel too. So cute. Thank you, Gretchen. Honestly, thank you so very much. I actually have a little package for you that's been sitting here. I'm not finished with it, so I haven't mailed it out. And I asked you for your address, and you did, I think, email it to me. But now I have it, I think, right here. So look out in the mail as well. And I always, Claire, you'll have a little something for me too. Every time somebody sends me something, I do respond. It might not be big. It'll be a little something. But I do appreciate you guys taking the time to send me something. So I always send something back, so keep an eye on your mail. But Gretchen, I am so late with mine, so I do apologize, but life has been a little bit crazy. And I was gonna ask you guys something and now I forgot, so I'm gonna open this little card. What a beautiful card. Gold foil. Ah, stickers. And I'm going to say thank you, Missy. Aw, so you're new on my channel. Thank you very much. I don't recognize your name either, but if you leave me a comment down below, I would love that. Same with Claire. If you maybe just say hello, then I will know who you guys are, because I do interact with so many of you. That's one thing I do on my channel, and I take a lot of pride in that, because as the channel has grown, I have less time sometimes to respond, but I do interact quite a bit. As soon as I post, I'm usually on live, unless it's a pre-scheduled video where I'm kind of not on and I had to release the video for a certain time, especially if it's a sponsored video. But if it's not, then I'm on live, and I do interact with you guys. So I'd appreciate just even a hello if you're on. I'm not sure if you have it's totally free to comment and to have like a little Google account. And to subscribe to the channel is completely free. So if you just say hello, then I'll know who you are. And I don't know, I think it's so cool that you guys have sent me these packages, and I have beautiful stickers here now to use in a pocket letter as well. These are gorgeous. I love these colors here. The pale pinks and blues, the teals are gorgeous. Thank you so much. And again, thank you for thinking of me and sending me a card. But I am all up for, who's up for sending me a postcard from wherever you are? Let me know. I think that would be the coolest thing ever. I know I'm being selfish and greedy asking you guys to send me a postcard, but I think it would be pretty cool to collect postcards from you guys from different places in the world, right? Anyways, until next time, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this little share, this little mail share with you. I do enjoy sharing and videoing them and opening them up. They make my day. So again, thank you for taking the time from your busy lives, taking the time to watch my videos, but also to even put together a special little happy package to make my day. I really do appreciate you guys. And until next time, everyone, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye for now.